Today is a big day kasi it's our first time traveling together here in Mindanao.
Yeah, but that's what's up.
Sige, ngayon pupunta kami sa papunta kami ngayon sa White River Rafting dito sa Cagayan de Oro. It's about 30-minute ride going to the river. Sasalubungin kami ng aming sundo. Alam ko, jeepney yun eh. Kasi this is my second time. It's her first time.
So, paano mo nasabing white? Or
hindi naman siya white. Kulay brown. What? Ewan ko, yun lang yung tawag eh. White River Rafting.
So guys, see you there.
See you.
Hi again guys. So we're currently in our meet-up point.
So hinihintay lang namin yung jeepney na magdadala sa amin sa saan galit? Sa river rafting. Okay, tagal guys, nandito na siyang duhan. Excited ka na?
We're here right now at
Bugsay Rafting.
Bugsay Water Rafting in Cagayan de Oro.
Yan, kakarating lang namin.
Happy setting up the drone.
Ito nga pala si Boss Daddy. Yan, kung gusto niyo mag-rafting dito sa Bugsay, siya hanapin niyo. Yan.
Lalagyan namin yung contact number niya dyan.
Ito. Yan. Yan ang number ng Bugsay Rafting. Yan, post niyo na lang kung gusto niyo i-check. Yan, si Magdo Beltran, aka Boss Daddy.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Enthusiastically, please. Okay, so good morning. By the way, my name is Yuri. I will be one of your guys.
Soy!
You still with it? Yeah, of course. So I shouldn't splash you with water then? All right. So this is our first rapid. Don't forget to enjoy. Okay. All right.
Hey, sir. Thank you.
And
Ano, Bims? Are you ready? Kasama siya, of course.
I'll see you later. All
Alright.
right. Okay. Forward now.
Forward.
1, 2, 1, 2, and stop.
Bims.
Alright, forward.
1. Woo! Woo! One. Wow!
High five!
Bugsay!
Okay, forward.
1, 2.
And stop.
Alright.
Nice.
Okay. Alright, that was the first rapid. So,
Yeah.
Unlock your feet. Unlock.
unlock. Alright folks, that was the first rapid. So there are 14 more, 13 I guess. Now Vims, say hi to the camera. So, on! Woo! Ay, buksay! Munti ka na mahulog kanina.
Oo, seryoso.
Medyo maliwete kasi ako eh. Dapat yung ano ko eh. Dapat nandito ako
Dati
nakapwesto.
ka na nagsinyanas din.
Ano mas okay? Yung sa Kawasan or dito?
I haven't tried Kawasan, but
Mm.
the looks of it, they have a rappel here. So,
Okay, okay.
and it's beside a waterfall.
Alright, so nakatayo kami.
Ikaw, dito ako ba? Kaya mo right foot ka na. Okay, forward like this.
One.
Alright, for those who are going to sit down, there's a penalty.
Hello, mama.
This is the Buksay Extortion Rafting Company. Okay.
Ay, baka mahulog kami dito.
Cameraman is on your left side.
Alright. Woo! 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 Woo!
Okay,
Wireless ground device. Wireless ground device.
Alam niyo ba yung nangyari? Hindi niyo pa alam.
Wireless ground device.
As you fade away, as you fade away.
So, nahulog lang naman kami. Yun ang finale, di ba?
Kung gusto niyo ng the best river rafting experience, dito kayo kay Boss Yuri.
Blessings, the best things, and not for me investments. Let's be tired out to realize that these suggestions make
Yun, so guys, pauwi na kami. Grabeng experience yun. Grabe. Talagang ano, traumatizing yet very enjoyable. Talagang
So, which one talaga?
ha?
So, which one?
Nahulog, kita niyo naman, nahulog kami na itong dalawa.
Ganun talaga kami together until the very end.
Yeah. Grabe.
Nahulog kami sa last rapid, guys. Sobrang hindi namin na-expect yun.
Akala ko last day ko na bilis. Talagang
Sama ako.
grabe. Yun guys, thank you sa kung umabot kayo sa dulo sa video na to. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagsubaybay. until our next adventure together. So join us next time. Ano bang tawag natin sa kanila?
Mga ka-baby cake.
Okay. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe
Yeah,
to our
hit the
channel.
notification bell.
Well, yeah. Kung gusto nyo maging updated on our next vlogs to come. Alright? So thank you very much, Bim. Isang puso naman yan.
Yay!